Alright, well here's our new toaster. Go ahead and turn it on. There's the different bread types, and you can choose the different bread doneness you want. So we'll go ahead and choose bread, and then choose this level of doneness, and then we can choose to do this side here. And let's say on the other side we wanted to do something else. We could go ahead and choose bagel to where it'll only toast it on one side, and let's go ahead and ramp that up to that particular doneness. Go ahead and start that, and the timer goes down, and then, you know, if we need to check, we can toggle between the two. So let's go check our time there. Okay, so our bread is still working on that side, and then we can always toggle back to that side. Anyways, when they're done, they'll pop up, or we can cancel it. Pretty neat. And then you just hold it down to turn it off.
Just perfect. I love it. If I will buy, I will buy it again because I just love it. For the price, this is the best toaster I never had. I just love it. Love it, love it. Perfect for me.
As you can see, we purchased this toaster on December 1st, received it December 10th. Unfortunately, the toaster is malfunctioning. Only one side of the burners work, that side not working, that side works. That side's working, that side doesn't. That side working, this side not. Leaving us with just one side of our toast toasted. So, unfortunately, we have to return it. Thank you for watching.